Tired of scrubbing your bathroom, kitchen, or even your car by hand? Sore arms, wasted time, and still not clean surfaces. Sound familiar? Most people think a powerful spin scrubber costs a fortune. But what if I told you there's a tool under $50 on Amazon that can completely transform the way you clean, making it faster, easier, and even enjoyable? Today, I'll review one electric spin scrubber that costs less than $50, but people love its power, battery life, and ease of use. Let's begin. Meet the Lexlu Electric Spin Scrubber, your new cleaning companion that's designed to save time, effort, and frustration. So what makes this scrubber so special? First off, it's a multi-purpose cleaning tool. It comes with 9 detachable brush heads, each designed for a specific cleaning task. There's a round brush for curved surfaces like your bathtub or toilet, a flat brush for tiles and grout, a corner brush to tackle those tricky gaps, and even a sponge brush that works perfectly on windows. And that's just the start. There are more ways to use it waiting for you to explore. Now let's talk about power. This isn't just any scrubber. It's equipped with a 25 watts motor that operates firmly even under high pressure. Whether it's daily cleaning or deep cleaning that really scrubs out tough stains, this scrubber has you covered. It features 2 working speeds, 400 revolutions per minute for daily cleaning and 480 revolutions per minute for deep cleaning. That means whatever your cleaning needs, this tool can handle it. And the best part? The noise level is under 50 decibels, so you won't be disturbing the whole house while getting your chores done. One of the biggest hassles with traditional cleaning tools is dealing with cord. Not with the Lexlu Electric Spin Scrubber. It's completely cordless, so you can clean without any restriction. Thanks to its large 3000 mAh battery, you get up to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning after just 3.5 hours of fast charging. Imagine cleaning your entire bathroom without stopping to recharge. Cleaning high or hard to reach places has never been easier. The scrubber comes with an adjustable stainless steel handle that extends from 24.8 inches to 47.3 inches. This lightweight handle, weighing only 1 pound, lets you clean ceilings, walls, floors, or any tricky corner without kneeling, bending, or straining your back. In fact, it's so light, even kids can use it with ease. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what real customers have to say. With over 6,000 units sold over the past month and a 4.4 out of 5-star rating from 719 reviews, people are loving the result. Customers find the scrubber effective at removing stains, particularly on grout and tiles, and they appreciate how versatile it is with all 9 brush heads. One customer mentioned it saved 2 hours of hand polishing, while another said it takes only a few minutes to complete tasks. They also praised the powerful motor and long-lasting battery, which makes cleaning the entire bathroom a breeze. The Lexlu Electric Spin Scrubber isn't limited to the bathroom either. You can use it on your tub, tile, floor, grout, sink, wheels, car, stove, ceiling, glass, windows, and even toilets. This makes it a true all-in-one cleaning machine that replaces multiple tools and saves you both money and storage space. Worried about charging? Don't be. Just make sure to use a 5-volt charger, as higher voltage may not charge properly. Aside from that, the scrubber is fully IPX7 waterproof, meaning it's safe to use even in wet environments. This is ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, or outdoor cleaning tasks where water is involved. Despite its power, the scrubber is designed to be lightweight and easy to handle. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip and reduces fatigue, even when cleaning larger areas. That makes it perfect for daily use without putting extra strain on your hands or arms. And here's something that makes it stand out even more. It's environmentally conscious. The product's carbon emissions were measured, reduced, and offset, and it's carbon-free certified. So, while you're making your home spotless, you're also contributing to a smaller carbon footprint. So why wait? Upgrade your cleaning routine today with the Lexlu Electric Spin Scrubber. All the best buying links are in the description. And remember, Lexlu is committed to excellent customer service. If you have any questions or concerns, their professional after-sales team is ready to help. Your home deserves it, and so do you.